What Chadwick Architects did was to make us think really about what we didn't know or what we hadn't thought about before, and that helped us visualise what we wanted to get the final plan. I'm Anthony and this is Annie, and we're in our newly designed architectural home by Chadwick Architects.
Ant and I are both urban planners, so we see architectural plans very frequently in our job, and we know what's good plans, what's not good plans. And we knew that Mike at Chadwick Architects has excellent drawings, very good attention to detail, all the information that a planner will need to assess the planning application. Mike sort of brought out a lot more ideas and options for us. We've got a very tight site with no rear access, so building is going to always be a challenge on those sorts of sites, so Mike was able to help us develop some plans that would maximise our space. The thing I love most about our renovation is the kitchen. It's amazing, it's got so much storage. We've got a young family with 2 little boys, so we need all the space we can get. Again, we've got a really small site, so we really need to maximise the amount of storage and the use of the space as well. So we were able to get a little home office space in our living space, which was really helpful with everyone working from home now. And the boys can just run around the space. It's really usable, user-friendly, and just flows to the outside as well. So it's really excellent space overall, and the skylights are amazing. They were able to get heaps of light in because we're a south-facing property, so that was a challenge. And now I very rarely have to put the lights on because it's so bright and airy.
Full experience was great, to be honest. He was really quick with plans. I know initially we had to make some changes right towards the end, although we thought it was compromised at the time, the change. It really worked out quite well, and it's quite seamless. He
was always responsive to the issues that came up through our planning application, and was able to work with us and the planner assessing the application to change the plans to meet their requirements, as well as provide something that we were really happy with. I'd absolutely recommend Chadwick Architects. He is excellent. Like, the listening skills that he has and brings your ideas into fruition is entirely possible with Chadwick Architects.